Today I will show you how I clean the sofa. I move everything. This stuff I put here, the other thing I put here, and take it out everything. And I start to vacuum. I'm the owner of Reliable House Cleaning Janitorial Service. I have been helping clients since 2006. I can help you with several types of cleaning services. House cleaning services, move in, move out, regular cleaning, deep cleaning, post-construction cleaning. We also do commercial cleaning, janitorial services, and window cleaning. If you are looking for insuring a cleaning company with those of solid references, please give me a call. Thank you very much.